So this is the new car, Mucar 892 BT, an AI diagnostics tool that's affordable. All right, comes in a real nice box from the get-go. Pull this back, get it opened up. There you go. Nice box, leads to a nice case. I like the handle on it. Look at that. Nice 8-inch screen. I'll check it out. So right on the back, it's all magnetic. Oh, this is cool too. Most of them do not have for this. It's like a stand. Again, I've been wanting one of these things for a while. This one's finally found it affordable. First off, let's look at this. It's got USB here and micro C there. Label on the side. It's nice, firm, holds well. Feels like good quality. Let me go ahead and see if it'll power on. Oh, it's going to. Look at that. Again, that screen looks really good. I don't need a lean ag, just pop this out. There's the AI kind of kicking in. Let me go down through here real quick. Let's take a look at it. Alright, then diagnose, OBD2, reads full codes. This will show you a history of your vehicle as well. Report, feedback for the app, $Fix Community. It's the social media platform. And what is this? This is AI. Okay, questions? Yeah, so if you're going to enter in like your troubleshooting code, interesting.
Alrighty then.
Let's see how well it helps just random stuff. Anything or not? This is pretty cool. Let's see, engine. Look at that. That's pretty cool. So obviously you can enter in the diagnostic code or whatever, but just that alone is pretty helpful. Again, that's the MUAI app that's built into this. Let me go back and kind of the same stuff over here. Diagnostics. Let's see. And then here's all the cards. Look at this. And what I like about it on the side here, say if you want to go to T, or for that matter, RAM, for example, pops right up. There's the T's. Any car start with a Z? Yeah, ZX Auto, Zoti. I didn't even know that existed. But anyway, all those cars out there, of course, has your top brands: Audi, Chevy, you name it, BMW, Ford. It's all on here. So you can even sort it by American card. See, there's a Cadillac popping up. You can go to Asian car, European. There's Alfa Romeo, Chinese car. It's all there. So pretty cool. Alright, and that tells me about the system update. You can update to a new system. Let's go ahead and do that now. That's going fast. Alright, it's going to reset. While that's going on, I want to go ahead and show you everything else that's in this pouch. And the screen's popping up right now. But anyway, you've seen that in there. It looks like a LAN cord or Ethernet cord. Here's the book, which is in alphabetical order. Okay. Here's the connector, just for different vehicles. What is this thing? Oh, this is just like an extension. So if you're going to go USB USB to the Ethernet. That's the option there. This is for the charging of it. It's a USB-C versus a USB. And then here's the plug-in. And the cool thing about this is this just pops right off. Depending on what country you're in. Obviously, I'm in America, so I'm going to put that one on. But again, it has just different options. And the cool thing about it is it just has everything right here. In case you need it, it's ready to go. Alright, so that was up super fast. What I want to do now is let's go ahead and take this. Let's pop the back off. And let's plug it in my truck, see what happens. I don't believe I have a code, but let's see what it does. Alright, so I'm super embarrassed on how dirty these floor mats are, but I've just not had time. Weather's now breaking. So what I'm going to do is take this off. We're going to plug it in the IMBD. And there you see, it just lights up. So they're just connecting. Okay. So turn ignition key on.
Duh!
Okay, I think that did the trick. Right, let's go back to our device here. There it goes. It tells you it's 2024 truck, 6.6 liter. It's odd that it says light duty because it's a 2500, but maybe that's what they're listed. So yes, and then it shows you there's no codes on. If there was, you could click on it and select on it. Let's do a smart scan. Alright, so 36% in. We'll keep letting it run. Alright, so it's done. As you can see, it's got 25 system issues found, 4 DTCs. So running board control module, which is interesting because I do have a light out one of my running boards. But most of the main things here you can see is green. So transfer case module seems a little bit odd. So let's see what this says. Let's click on it. So some stuff I don't really want to know about. Hopefully it's alright as I just enter the warranty on it. Let's go back out. Yes, I want to quit. Let's see. Protocol searching. Pretty cool how it keeps lifter on top. Don't forget about these buttons too, maintenance. So you want to reset your air fuel ratio, you want to bleed your ABS brakes, adaptive front line system, all this. Airbag reset, battery matching, brake pad reset. That's annoying. That happens. Clutch. Let's see. DPF. Electronic throttle. All kinds of stuff on here. Gear learning, gearbox, injector coating, all this stuff. Tire size adjustments. Now that's a big deal. And that's funny how they did spell tire a little bit different, but so reset your TPMS, and that's a problem for everybody, especially here in India in the winter time. And obviously you can upgrade the software here. Yeah, pretty cool. All right, gang, let's wrap it up. Very cool device. So this thing has AI on it. It's the Mucar 892 by a company called Mucar. I'll drop a link down below. But anyway, just a reminder, this thing is capable of over 100,000 cars out there. So as I showed you in the video too, it's got service, gives you tips on how to fix whatever problems you may have. Just a really, really cool device, and hopefully this video has helped you. If it was, hit the like button. If you have any questions, drop them down below. Don't be afraid to hit me up on social media at F150_boss. And I want y'all to have an awesome day. Thanks again for watching.